Hello, this is Truda. Hello, this is Truda from Shenghai Aluminum. It's my pleasure to introduce our factory to you. Here our workplace, and that office is our accounting office. And here are our engineer's office. Here is the chat place. We have some Chinese tea here, and I'm so happy to have you here to drink the tea with me. And upstairs is my boss' office. Let me introduce something about our factory. You can see there are many stock here, and this is for our Philippine market. In order to load convenient, we will put the small profile into the big profile. Then we can load to the 45 feet container. And here is our factory. Our factory has founded in 2010, about 100 staffs and 23,000. Oh no. 23,000 square meters. Here are the star profile. This profile we will load to the. They already done and have to do the surface treatment. Let's go to see the aluminum bar. Here are the aluminum bars, so many, right? And they are different size. Let's see. This is the diameter 120 millimeter, and this bar are 5.8 length. You see, so many. And this machine is our heating machine. We will put the bar into the machine and it will soften the bar, and then we can convenient to cut the bar into the section. And in the extrusion machine, we will put the mold into this Then bar will become profile by extrusion. After extrusion, the bars are softened and curved. Then we use the traction machine to straighten the bars. You see, we will use the machine to straighten the bars because many years ago the workers straightened the billets by hand, but now we will use machine to straighten. This is the traction machine. And there are the aluminum scraps. We won't use the aluminum scrap, but we will sell it to other factories to reproduce. Why we have so many aluminum scraps? Because if you need the profile to 4 meters, we will make it to 10. Then we cut two sides and cut it in half. Then we will the other profile will be the scraps. So we have too many aluminum scrap, but we don't use it because if we use the aluminum scrap, the profile will be dark. You see, we don't use the aluminum scrap, so our profile are shining. This is the agent machine. We put products into agent machine, then use the ring to cool and harden to achieve T5 or T6. See, we have 6 sets of 612 tons extrusion machines. They are 24-hour working. We have day shifts and night shifts to ensure we can produce 15,000 tons per month if everything goes well. And we use the machine to load the profile into the agent machine. Finally, is the packing. The worker will pack the profile there. This is the PE fill. We will pack the profile with PE fill, and the machine is moving. Many stock here, right? Welcome to leave a message on our official website or our message board. That's all. Thank you for your attention and welcome to visit our factory after fibers. Bye.